forgot the duck. Maybe it's not good.
Maybe.
Because there's another one here.
You made it out.
I think I'm gonna stick with the little guys.
The little ones?
These are too little.
Oh, I missed you picking it up.
My starter pumpkin.
The starter.
Imperfect, dusty, but not as like easy to.
Handle.
この子にする。
That's the one?
Final answer.
Okay.
Nice size.
I'm also gonna get this guy. You pick that one.
You're gonna get two?
Yeah, big one and little one.
I was gonna get the tiny one.
For decoration, yeah.
Yeah.
For carving, I want a big one and a little one. Who's better? Hers or mine?
Well, of course yours is better.
Why is mine better?
Well, I don't know. We gotta put the light in tonight and then see how it glows.
Whose is better?
Mine's cute.
Oh, I dropped it. I dropped both of them.
My pumpkin! That's sabotage. That's not bad.